Welcome my legends, it's been a busy day today. Going to be sorting all this out. I've already washed most of it in the bath with some bleach. But then I'm going to turn it all upside down and give it a good hose off, because as you can see, got some slugs and snails on that. So all that will then be coming down here. I've also been touching up some of the greenhouse with a bit of green paint because it needs it. And then my new double bench, potting bench to the right and my seedling bench to the left. Be tidying under here, and I'll be stacking all those pots, hopefully into some order in there. And then I've ordered a wood burning stove, so then after that, sort all this out, take my fan system down and put it away for next summer when it gets too hot. I'm going to put a wood burning stove, see with the back of the mirrors there. I'm going to dig that out, get a nice bed down there on probably some concrete slabs, and put a brick back to it so I'm not going to burn anything. And then take the fan down from the top there and put the exhaust to the wood burning stove. I might go through the bottom actually, then go out through the outside. So yeah, it should be nice and toasty in here when that arrives. I've ordered it, it's the cheapest one they have on eBay. It's from Poland, so hopefully that'll be here within the next week or 10 days. So yeah, let's get on with this, shall we? Get the hose pipe out, get it all rinsed down, and get it stacked in some order. Right, well that's some firewood got together for our wood burning stove. Just taking the my little aircon unit to pieces, and the rain is absolutely pouring down, so this can go back inside. Just got some pots in there before it started raining. As you can see here, absolutely throwing it down. Yeah, really raining hard. So yeah, I think I'm going to go and have some dinner now, because I'm going to be rained off for the next half an hour or so. So yeah, getting it tidied up nicely. Like this side, I'm just going to keep all my wood burning stove, I think. And this side for my pots. I don't know what I'm going to do with this air filter yet. It's a big charcoal air filter, it's supposed to be really good. I've had it probably 2 years now, so it might be time to chuck it away. We'll see anyway. But yeah, I only got that many pots in. So let's see what it's like outside, shall we? Wow. Whoa. Yeah, gonna go inside, cook something to eat, and then hopefully when I've had something to eat, the rain's stopped and I can carry on.